Hello everyone, I am Ankit Kumar Sharma and I am a personality and communication trainer here at Successland. So I welcome you on my YouTube channel Successland, and today I am going to introduce you with my one of student, and he's learner, he is still learning, so we'll have a conversation with him, and we will know about his life and about his experience in Successland. So let's welcome to our student Mr. Shivam. Hello Mr. Shivam, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. And what about you?
I'm also doing great. So Mr. Shivam, please tell us something about yourself.
Good evening, friends. I'm Shivam Sharma. I'm living in Jaipur. Professionally, I'm a biomedical engineer, and here I'm learning English, and that's all about me.
Okay. Please tell us about your hobbies. What do you like to do?
I like to read books and watch videos.
Okay. Which is your favorite book?
Recently, I read the book of Seven Habits of Successful People.
Okay. Okay. So what is all about that book? Could you please explain little bit about that book?
It's it's books on the experience of the highly successful people, what they think and what they do.
Great.
And
Okay. Okay. Do you believe in God?
yes, sure, of course, I believe in God.
Okay. Which is your adorable God?
Lord Krishna, I believe in Lord Krishna
Okay. And why do you believe in Lord Krishna?
because I think that he 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 is in my heart. I think that when I when any time I'm in trouble,
Okay.
and I think I realized that surely he will help me, and he will help me to come out this trouble.
Okay. That's great. And I respect and I appreciate your thought. And I believe too in Lord Krishna. So please tell us about your experience in Success Land.
Uh, the experience is overall great. That when I came here, I didn't know the ABC of English language, and I'm not able to speak or not as well as I'm not able to understand the understand the English when somebody speak in front of me. But now I think that here is some little change comes into me, that I am trying to speaking and as well as understanding.
Okay, that's great, Mr. Shivam. And to learn anything, we should always keep practicing. We
Yes.
should always keep trying that thing, and definitely one day we'll achieve that. Okay, Mr. Shivam, it was a nice conversation with you, and soon I'll make your another video to present on our YouTube channel.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.